My name is Michael Gibson. I'm the founder and global managing director of the Critical Mobilization Group. And today, I hope to brief you on some of the nuts and bolts of the Critical Mobilization Group's 3 global professional associations encompassing professionals from a diverse array of backgrounds supporting the missions of Wartime Professional International Association, Peacetime Professionals International Association, and Disaster Recovery Professionals International Association. First and foremost, note that we are a community bound within that community by profound shared experiences and fully committed to the individual and communal welfare of all. The Critical Mobilization Group shall focus on full and continuing employment and career growth for individual members, fostering entrepreneurial opportunities among and between them, as well as accelerating business development for corporate members. Our information technology infrastructure will consist of a cutting-edge internet presence, an advanced artificial intelligence and correlation software platform featuring global data capture, storage, translation, analysis, and application. We are developing a comprehensive world-class interactive web presence for each of our professional associations, all fully integrated with our cloud and digitally based corporate IT infrastructure. Our training and development staff will be designing a full spectrum curriculum architecture applicable to the contract work of our professional associations and provide all related professional certifications thereof. We will tap our global membership to identify and recruit the best sources of expertise, to develop and deliver course content, and to the extent possible in cooperation with conventional higher educational institutions. We will deliver online webinars and video courseware to facilitate convenient remote learning, all accessible 24 hours, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Our Critical Mobilization Institute programs, of course, in a politically neutral offshore setting, will deliver full spectrum classroom and tactical training for contract fulfillment, pre-deployment preparations, and career pathing. As an adjunct to Institute operations, we will offer the capabilities to deploy training expertise around the world as needed and as appropriate to the nation's alignment, most specifically to the West and with the international community in general. Through our U.S.-based and international trade show and, of course, conference programs, we will promote the agenda of our 3 professional associations and their memberships, inclusive of the delivery of training seminars on our most popular curriculum items. As a developmental tool for members to safely and profitably build a business, these events will also feature entrepreneurial training for members desiring to start their own contracting business, as well as advanced classes for existing corporate members desiring to accelerate their business growth and profitability. Of course, their global participation will be considered as well. For all of the above, the Critical Mobilization Institute will provide professional certifications relative to successful program completion. What does that mean? We intend to become the underwriter's laboratory seal of approval in the eyes of the contract issuing authorities worldwide when they vet the credentials of firms or individuals proposing or bidding on contracts. They will think of us. We will also pursue securing college accreditation and credit for completion of our courseware wherever possible. The Critical Mobilization Group also intends to provide banking, factoring, insurance services, to name a few, to our memberships worldwide. This is critically important because the way the contract issuing community around the world is set up is that you spend 6 months preparing to bid on a contract. You exhaust your resources, you exhaust your people. You're about at 85, maybe even 80%. And then you have to start to work. Oftentimes you're depleted of funding, you're depleted of personnel, and you start scrambling. We're going to help you shorten that window and help you create a receivable worthy of having by ensuring that the banking and other services are there for you. We have already been approved by relevant authorities to acquire bank and bank-like entities, as well as insurance providing entities in direct support of our global individual and corporate memberships. The related service infrastructure will be established once the major revenue streams and their peripheral and direct profit centers are made whole. To sum up this episode, the Critical Mobilization Group, its component association, and business plan have been in highly focused conceptual development for a few years now. And in that time, we have built up an impressive worldwide membership nucleus of unassailable expertise that is about to impact the contracting world and the world at large. As we launch and build, we will provide an associational home, a real community, such as has never been seen before. Within that community, we will provide an unparalleled array of individual member benefits that keep people working via ongoing global opportunities and help them build successful careers through career pathing, training, and cross-training, and provide opportunities and guidance to encourage entrepreneurial business development. We will simultaneously provide exceptional business building, corporate member benefits that will prove a profit-generating machine for a great many member firms around the world. Most notably, they will, in hiring, be able to cherry pick from within the greatest array of individual member expertise ever assembled. They will be provided real-time access to contracting opportunities from around the world as they are made public. Those corporate members will be networked through their associations with other firms globally and through crowd contracting, a concept that we not only own as a registered trademark, but a protocol that we use of when a crowd of people get together and perform on a contract is basically what we're saying. Have networking relationship opportunities that can rapidly be converted into contract teaming arrangements that expand their practicable reach to the four corners of the earth. Many contract issuing authorities worldwide will also benefit with the passage of time as a result of greater industry-wide standardization, coordination, training, certification, and contractors. Through all of our combined efforts, we will bring about a much-needed maturation of the industry, and in doing so, build a brand of dramatic revenue growth and investor value expansion, and together we will have an increasingly positive and profound impact on the world events. I'm Michael Gibson, the founder and global managing director of the Critical Mobilization Group. Thanks for watching. In the next episode, we will begin delving into our individual communities as I tell you about Wartime Professionals International Association. Thank you.